Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you all are happy, healthy and doing well. In today's video, I am going to share my morning with you. As I tell what has happened today, we will practice present perfect tense naturally. So let's begin. This morning has been quite busy. I have woken up at 5:30 a.m. As soon as I woke up, I opened the door and looked outside. It has been quite pleasant because it has rained yesterday. After getting fresh, I came to kitchen. I have made tea for me and my husband. I like to enjoy a cup of tea before starting my work. Then I have prepared breakfast for my family. I have packed tiffin for my husband and son. They have already left to work and school. I have dropped my son off to school. I have come back. Now the home has become quiet, and I thought this is a best time to practice my speaking English. When I looked around the home, there are many work which has not finished yet. I have not cleaned my kitchen yet. I have not made the bed yet. I have not decided what I will cook in lunch. So, is not it easy to narrate your daily activity in present perfect tense? Did you notice I have not used any tough words or grammar? I have just described what I have done and what I haven't done yet. Now it's your turn. Make your own sentences. Narrate what you have finished till now and what you have not done yet, and ask yourself questions in this tense. Have you prepared list for your groceries? Have you dropped your son or daughter off to school? Have you taken a bath? Have you washed clothes? Have you cleaned the kitchen? So, it is a very useful tense. Native speakers use this tense very frequent. And have you felt that we have studied English at school, we have studied grammar, we have done many exercises, but still we have felt that speaking English is tough? Then don't worry, you are not alone. Many learners have felt the same way, but many of them have transformed their spoken English through shadowing. By regular speaking practice, they have listened, practiced, and they have listened, repeated, and practiced consistently, and that has made the difference. So if you have not started yet, start right now. Do not wait until your English becomes perfect. Very soon we will meet in the next video. Till then, keep it simple, practice every day and enjoy your English journey. Thank you for watching.